guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. What I'm going to be doing today is I am going to be doing these clear acrylic little month signs. I know when people have newborns, they like to take pictures, and when they hit like a month milestone. So this is, you know, like the 1 month, and you got 2 months, so going all the way up to 12. I'm gonna do 1 through 4 today. I'm not gonna do all 12 because I feel like it's pretty much the same. But basically all I use is some acrylic paint, gilding flakes, and some permanent vinyl. Okay, it's super simple, super easy, something that you can definitely sell and add to your Etsy shop, and they came out super cute. And you can use any color you want. I just went with sage and gold because that's the color a friend used for her baby shower. So I was like, well, I'll go with sage and gold. Okay, but I am gonna link everything down below. So the acrylic blanks I got from Amazon. Everything can be purchased on Amazon, and I will make sure I link the paint, color, everything, the gilding flakes, the acrylic, the vinyl, everything will be linked down below. Okay, so if you have any questions about where I got it from, definitely check the description box first. But that's what we're getting into today, so go ahead and stick around. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. I am using these 4-inch acrylic round blanks that I got from Amazon, and again, they will be linked down in the description box, so definitely make sure you check there first. Both sides of the blank does have a film on it, so you are going to have to remove the film from both sides. What I'm doing right now is I'm removing it from one side, and then I'm placing it film side down. This is the side that I'm going to go ahead and apply the acrylic paint to, as well as the gilding flakes. And then when I'm ready to apply the vinyl to the other side, I'm going to remove the film on that side. So I am using some acrylic paint that I got from Joann Fabrics. I will link this down below. I do believe this is available on Amazon as well. The color is Italian Sage. And then I'm just using this little brush to kind of brush it throughout the middle. I'm not gonna paint the entire thing. It's just gonna be like across the center of it. So I'm just creating some light brush strokes, nothing too you know, extensive. I'm just brushing the color on there, just in the center. Alright, and then that did take about an hour to fully dry. So once it was dry, I'm going to take this gloss Mod Podge, and the top was like stuck on there. But I'm going to take the gloss Mod Podge, and I'm going to put some in the little corners where I want to put the gilding flakes. And we're going to put the gilding flakes on top of the Mod Podge. So I'm just getting some on there, then I'm going to grab the gilding flakes. I did get these from Michael's, I believe, but there is some available on Amazon as well. I will link them down below. And then you're just gonna put them on top of the Mod Podge, and then you're gonna brush it once it dries, because before it dries, it's kind of hard to work with when it's still wet in this aspect. So you just kind of want to place it on the Mod Podge, and as you can see, it's starting to like stick to my fingers, and I really don't care for gilding flakes working with them. I don't like it. I do it because it looks nice. And as you can see, I was trying to manipulate it before it dried, and then just decided I was going to wait until it fully dried because it was just making a mess instead of doing what I wanted it to do. So my advice is to just definitely make sure that it's nice and dry. The Mod Podge is nice and dry before you try to brush it or manipulate it. Just kind of put it on there, and then any excess, when it's dry, you'll see we're just going to brush it off. I was going to try to brush it. This is me trying to manipulate it before it dried. But again, it just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So I just decided to abort the mission. And I'm just making sure that it's fully on the Mod Podge. But I'm not going to actually brush it or anything like that, because it was just getting everywhere and it was making a mess. And this is where I'm looking at it and I'm like, this is not giving what it was supposed to have gave. Okay, so the next day I let everything sit and dry, and then I forgot to record the part where I brushed it. But I did brush all of the excess gilding flakes off with that same brush that I showed you. I just went ahead and once it dried, anything that was excess, it just brushed right off, no problem. And now what I'm doing is I'm just taking some permanent vinyl and I'm putting it on the other side of the blank. So I removed the film from the other side of the blank, and then I'm putting the vinyl on the other side. Okay, so I'm back here and I just wanted to I know I was doing a voiceover. Y'all, my hair look crazy. I know I was doing a voiceover, but I just wanted to come in and just kind of talk to you guys about the end result. And I'm not going to seal it just because I'm not selling these. Well, I am going to seal it because I'm making these for a friend, but I'm not going to seal them right now because I have to do the other 8 months or whatever. So I'm just going to do it all at one time. But basically what I would do is I would take this clear, y'all know how the ring light be doing this. I'm going to take this clear acrylic sealer by Mod Podge, and I'm going to spray both the front and the back of it. Okay, this stuff is really strong, so I would spray it in a ventilated area. But you would just basically, I'm going to lay all 12 of them out, spray them. I'll probably give 2 coats each. So spray it, let it dry, spray it, let it dry, then flip them over and do the other side. Same thing, spray it, let it dry, spray it, let it dry. Okay. So that is what I plan on doing with these, but I think these came out so stinking cute. Let me turn this all the way down so that I know like the lighting kind of gets messed up when this ring light just likes to glare. Do y'all see how stinking cute these came out? I love these. Okay. And I did get these from Amazon, so I will go ahead and make sure I link everything down below. The color paint that I used is a sage color. I got this from, I want to say Joann Fabrics. It's 467 Italian Sage. Okay, this is the brand. 467 Italian Sage is the name of the paint color, and then I just used some gold gilding flakes. Okay, and then I tried to show you these at the beginning. 30 of them came in a container. They're 4-inch clear acrylic circles. Okay, and I will link everything down below for you guys, but that is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.